Obstreperous is an adjective that describes someone or something that is noisy, unruly, or difficult to control. It is often used to convey a sense of defiance, boisterousness, or aggressive resistance, whether in behavior or speech. Origins of obstreperous. The word obstreperous comes from the Latin obstreperous, meaning noisy or clamorous. This, in turn, is derived from obi, meaning against, and streper, meaning to make a noise. The word entered the English language in the late 16th century, retaining its emphasis on loudness and resistance. How to use obstreperous. Obstreperous is often used in formal or descriptive contexts to refer to individuals or groups that are disruptive, loud, or hard to manage. Example sentences: the teacher struggled to calm the obstreperous students during the assembly. Despite the security guard's warnings, the obstreperous protesters refused to leave the premises. Her obstreperous personality made her both admired and feared in meetings. Dirty similar words: unruly, difficult to discipline or control. Boisterous, loud, energetic, and often rowdy. Defiant, resisting authority or control. Clamorous, making loud and insistent noise or demands. Nuances of obstreperous. Noisy and defiant. It implies both vocal loudness and a refusal to comply or cooperate. Disruptive, often used to describe behavior that interrupts order or calmness. Negative connotation. While not inherently malicious, it generally suggests behavior that is frustrating or difficult to handle. Antonyms of obstreperous: calm, quiet and peaceful without disorder. Docile, easy to manage or control. Submissive, obedient, willing to comply with rules or authority. Tranquil, free from disturbance or agitation. Cultural and social usage. The word obstreperous often appears in literature, journalism, and formal discussions to highlight disruptive or uncontrollable behavior. It's particularly apt for describing situations where loudness and defiance merge, creating chaos or conflict. A key takeaway: obstreperous is a vivid word that captures the essence of unruly, noisy, and defiant behavior. Whether describing an unruly child, a boisterous protest, or an unmanageable personality, the term emphasizes the challenge of bringing such behavior under control. Subscribe